Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ally Bank for ACH transfers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Ally Bank for ACH transfers, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Log into your Ally Bank account using your secure credentials. On the main dashboard, locate the Transfers tab. Click on Transfers to open the Transfer Options menu. Select External Transfers from the available options. To set up a new external account, click on Add an external account. You will need to provide the routing number and account number of your external bank. Enter this information carefully to avoid any errors. Next, Ally Bank will require you to verify the external account. Choose your preferred verification method. You can select either microdeposits or instant verification if your bank supports it. If you choose microdeposits, Ally Bank will make 2 small deposits into your external account. This process may take 1 to 2 business days. Check your external bank account for these deposits. Once you see the deposits, return to the Ally Bank site. Enter the amounts of the microdeposits in the designated fields. Click Verify to complete the authentication process. If you opted for instant verification, follow the prompts to sign in to your external bank account. This method typically allows faster access without waiting for deposits. After verification is completed, your external account will be linked. You can now confidently initiate ACH transfers between your Ally Bank account and the linked account. Always ensure your information is secure throughout this process. You're now ready to manage your ACH transfers efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.